Hello there guys! Welcome to my channel and now we are going to explore the museum here in Tel Aviv. It is located in Ramat Aviv, Tel Aviv. Let's go! Ayan, may ticket na po tayo. And we have the map and so we're heading to see what's the content of this museum. Alexander Center, Education Center, Alexander Museum. We are heading to the Shaula and Kobo Alexander Center. And we are here. This is a wine press by Pink period. Storage compartment, threading floor, secondary pressing installation, intermediate vat, collecting vat and channel. Wine press. This is a wine press. Yan. We are heading inside. We have here also. And there are also groups that is coming in here that they can understand more of this museum. But me, I just came here alone so I can enjoy me, myself, and I. Pak ganun. Let's get inside the Shaula and Kobe Alexander Center. Oh, so huge. The hall, and where can I enter? Ito isang bukaksin lang eh. Hall 2. We're going in. Diyan ako papasok ko dito. Ganding inbiyak mo. Takman taulis di. Oh no, the first path. I am lost. I have to go back again to the other side. is a census sculptural object constructed in a modular process is reminiscent of an exotic plant composed of ceramic and textile element that may keep growing forever. Guys for watching, and please hit like and subscribe and click the notification down below so that you'll get notified for my next videos. Thank you and God bless you. Bye. See you again.